welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know uploading a video after such a long time, but I swear this is not at all disappointing because I'm going to respond to your deepest, darkest secrets which you all sent me on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. All of your secrets here, and I'm gonna react to all of them while I read them. The first one is watch porn intentionally at the age of 30. How did you feel? Let me know. But okay, so you were curious, that's why you watched it. How was it? Okay, let me know. When my friend drank urine when you... Why did your friend have urine when you guys were in your first class? I want to know the backstory. Arey, you guys have written like aadha cheeze, everything, and I want to know more about it. I lied to my parents that my exam had got cancelled, but actually I checked the date sheet wrong. Did you survive after that, or were you like actually allowed to use your phone for the rest of your life, or were you... What actually happened after that? I still have little feelings for the last guy I dated. That's sad. You need to get over, please. And my BFF torn my hostel warden ma'am's dress. Why? That's again violence. I don't approve this. Don't do it, please. I kissed my friend's dad. You all are so wild. You should have been wild, Villa. BF, I don't know if it's boyfriend or best friend, came to my home when my grandparents were there, but my mom and dad came and forgot. What just happened after that? I want to know. Once I hid inside cooler क्योंकि मम्मी से मार पड़ने वाली थी और मम्मी ने कूलर चला दिया and then you were just moving round and round and round. मेरे से मेरा कूलर खुलता भी नहीं है, तुम कूलर में घुसे कैसे? My cousin and he loves me too, but we can't, of course. You guys cannot date because of the family. I know, right? That sucks. I'm 14 and I have a boyfriend. That's okay. Oh god, just don't kill me because I'm normalizing having boyfriends at the age of 14. But concentrate on your studies more than having a boyfriend. I stole my mom's favorite sari and gave it to my best friend. I dated two girls at the same time. What the hell? Why? Cheat? I am bisexual. That's okay. Assaulted my brother when I didn't know about. That's traumatizing for me at least. Picked earthworms with naked hands. Ew, I hate earthworms. They're so slimy. They're just so ew. I've dated two real brothers. They were unknown, and both of them didn't get to know about it. But that's again cheating, so I don't approve. That's sad. Does it also happen that you're making something and the entire universe just puts all its efforts in disturbing you, just like these kids? But never mind, I'm not gonna stop. Got tortured by my ex and stayed in a room for complete 2.5 months and faced back depression. Why were you even with that guy if he was torturing you? I invested a lot in crypto and I'm clueless about it now. Investing in crypto reminds me of something. Wait. Recently, a lot of users were facing problems regarding the deposits and withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. But in India, RBI has now finally approved the trade of cryptocurrency and said that it is not at all illegal to trade the virtual currencies. In fact, RBI has said that banks should facilitate currency exchanges with smooth functioning. But of course, after making the necessary check, taking all of this into consideration, I've got for you all this amazing app which is known as CoinSwitch Kuber, which helps in investing in more than 75 cryptocurrencies. It is actually India's biggest currency changing platform with 6 million new users, that too in only 11 months, which is actually a lot. All of this shows that this app is really trusted since a lot of people use it and invest their money through this app. You can also start your investment with only rupees 100, and when you start investing you also get a referral bonus of rupees 50. You can easily withdraw the amount whenever you want, so it is so convenient for you. If you want to know more about CoinSwitch Kuber or cryptocurrency, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be linking down below in the description. Let's come back to your secrets. I use Instagram, but nobody knows about it. I think everybody has done the same at some point of their life. Even I was on Facebook when nobody knew about it. That's fine. I had broken a microwave safe glass bowl while making chocolates. Please don't tell my mom. No, I'll not. I swear. We used to split into teachers. What? Spit! You guys used to spit into your teacher's water bottle? That's gross. The teachers used to drink it. Ew. Honestly, when I was going through all your deepest, darkest secrets, it was not 1, 2, 3. There were, I guess, 20 to 30 people telling me that they were nearly raped, they were nearly harassed by some of their close friends, some of their close relatives, which is so traumatizing for me. And it is just so sad. Some of the people who are so close to you, they turn out to be so evil, and you just cannot do anything about it. If it happens to you or somebody you know, you should always tell it to a person whom you trust, so that more people are aware about it and you need to do something about it. Please cannot be silent. I dated a girl who exactly looks like you. I told your friends that you were dating me. That's crazy. This person hid in the school church to escape the march past and then ended up being in the school the whole time. Honestly, I don't believe this, but if this actually happened, this would actually scare the shit out of me if it would have happened with me, because my school looked really scary. And हम लोग जब घर आते थे used to say अगर तू स्कूल जाएगा ना और पूरे स्कूल का चक्कर लगाएगा, it'll be like 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees, because my school looked really crazy. Although it was very pretty, but scary. How to meet my boyfriend outside the house at 4 a.m. while everyone was sleeping. Wow. And what if your parents get on about it? Almost ate a lizard. Ew! How can you eat a lizard? How can you eat a lizard? It's a reptile. I hate reptiles. Ew! I licked my chachi's feet while she was sleeping. I smoke cigarettes just one time to taste how it is. But don't do it, okay? Don't do it anymore. Use my dog to guys, this is just not vibing now. Use your dog to do all of that shit. Sorry, I was born without clothes. Everybody was. I don't know how to do makeup. Same. I try to eat soap. Even I have had soap. Like, I did not eat soap intentionally like you, but I just had once. I was just washing my face, I guess, and got inside my mouth. I used to stalk my crush 24/7. Everybody does that. Just ignore my hair, okay? Everybody does that. I eat potty. Ew! What are you all doing eating potty and drinking your own urine? I drank alcohol in 5th class with my friends 3 times. You shouldn't do that. Made ice cream with ketchup. Just like me, it's ew. मैंने गलती से किसी और को किस कर दिया और किसी और को समझकर. I feel sad for you. I stole my dad's phone and threw it in gutter and nobody. Okay. First, you stealing your dad's phone and throwing in gutter. Why? Is your dad so rich? Okay, your dad might be very rich. I hated a girl so much that I stole her project and threw it in girl's bathroom. So violent. This is so bad. Don't do it. I threw flowers at a girl's PG at 3 a.m. Oh, that's my friend. So one of my friends, he threw flowers at my PG at 3 a.m. without even knowing me, and then we became good friends after that. I made out with a friend's boyfriend and then they'll be celebrating their 3rd anniversary. Oh god, that's so sad. You should have told your friend that her boyfriend is a cheater. I gave my brother dog food and he was that's funny if dog food is not bad for his health, because I have no clue. I made a fake account and texted my brother and now he loves me and is forcing me to meet. That's nice. I'll do it too. Thanks for the idea. That was it for your deepest, darkest secrets. I'm sorry if this wasn't interesting, because I tried to make it interesting as much as I could, but these were your secrets and I reacted to them according to what I felt, and these kids are just not letting me make the video. For today, that's it. See you soon.